Hello YouTube, and welcome Car Guy Corner. Just a little introduction. Here's my 95 Kawasaki Bayou. It's torn down a little bit because I already started into it. I bought it, and it needs front and rear drive shafts, and that was it, or that's what I thought. So I stripped off all the plastics. I'm going to clean the carb and everything and get it running first. Clean the tank, put fresh oil in it, spark plug, change the oil filter. Then once it runs okay, then I'm going to strip it right down to the bare frame, clean it up, and paint it, and slowly fix things and put it back together. But it does need a front drive shaft with U-joints. Needs CV shafts. Boots are torn and don't know how long it's been, so we're going to change the CV shafts, ball joints, the front wheel bearings. We'll change the brakes in the front, pads and rotors. Don't have any rear brakes on it. Somebody's taking that off, so for now we'll just leave it alone. Leave it with just front brakes. Like I said, I thought it was the rear drive shaft, but it ends up the input on the rear diff is stripped, and the drive shaft that splines to that is stripped. So we're going to have to pull the rear diff apart, change the ring and pinion, get a new rear drive shaft, clean it all up. It's all grungy and everything. Do a little bit of painting. And I'm thinking of running some 27-inch tall mud tires on it. There's the wife's Can-Am. And see how it goes. Hopefully I can get it running for next summer, and we'll see if it can keep up to the Renegade or not. Maybe not in speed, but see if it can at least hold its own in the mud. Missing a few parts. Probably nuts and bolts too, but we'll see see what I can do. So next will be cleaning the carb, flushing out the tank, and getting this baby to run. It's a 95 Kawasaki Bayou 400 full-time four-wheel drive. And until next time, keep it between the ditches.